comes with compact, contemporary design which fits in gracefully on a cabinet, counter, or a shelf. LED blue light also gives this Amazon Basics electric glass and steel kettle an ultra-modern look. Automatic feature with auto shutoff on boiling temperature. Safety features in this electric kettle include auto shutoff, blue LED lights, and protection against dry boiling. And it also includes a recess for cord wrap utility. Glass carafe with stay-cool handle lifts off the base for cordless serving. Low maintenance with glass carafe and high insulation handle which detaches comfortably from the base and then enjoying a cordless serving. Amazon Basics electric glass and steel kettle 1.7 liter gives a quick boiling experience with is also safe with all its safety features.